Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back to another live stream. Thank you everybody for joining in so far. Still waiting on people. It is a Thursday night. Probably one of the most, less busy nights to actually live stream. But I thought I'd live stream anyway. But welcome everybody. Looks like we got a bunch of people. Hey, welcome everybody. We got Ruben, we got Jake, Thinks Gaming YouTube, Jake Central, Mr. Mill, Lols Plays YouTube. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Today, again, we're working on some device model development. I'm pretty sure you guys guessed that from the actual title there. But yeah, we're working on some more development, and really today is going to be a lot up to you guys. It's going to be up to you guys to help me out here, because pretty much what, I mean, I could be working on the files update, but I feel like some of the stuff is like a little bit boring for streams. I want to be able to have a lot more visual stuff for you guys in this live stream today. Someone said, oh my god, I finally get to watch you live. I always have to watch them after you go offline. Damn, dude. Well, welcome to the first stream, Trevor Sharp. And if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream, as always, go down to my Twitter. Link is in the description below. Go follow me there and retweet the latest tweet that says retweet for a shout out. And then right at the end of this live stream, I'm going to be shouting your guys' names out. And as well, if you're excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead. What is that thing that we do again? What is that thing we do? It's something to do with the thing and it's a snap in that like button. You're going to snap it right in half. There's a Nintendo Switch update. Download it now. Oh jeez, it's a little bit forceful there if you ask me. But I was just working on something here. I was working on just I put this interface into the API package because it's something that you guys can actually use. I mean, it's technically not in the API package if you've downloaded the recent files update. I should mention that we released the files update for the API last night, guys. Who has downloaded it? Who here has actually downloaded it and started developing apps with it? I know a couple of people have, but who in the chat has actually, started playing around with it? Cray, is it lunch right now? I'm watching a stream from school at the cafeteria. Dude, that's dedication. Say hi to your friends for me. But no, it's not lunchtime. It's actually 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. where I am right now. I live in the Australias. So it's a little bit different here. But what's going on here? Oh god, there's so many things. I'm starting a 1.10 backport of the API I talked about several times. I saw this. Oh god, I don't know what that person's doing. But yeah, if you guys I've released the update. I created like a change log here of everything that was added in it. So let's go over everything that we've done, for these past couple of weeks. And technically, do you guys believe me when I say this right now? Do you believe me when I say this right now? I literally started this files update last year in December. I think it was December 30th, so like right just before 2017 I started it. Now obviously I didn't work on it constantly. I kind of had a bit of break in between, but seriously, we started this last year, this update, and finally it is finished. So what we actually did in there is, we added in a working file system. So that features files, folders, there's a file browser application. We added in a USB. We got brand new custom dialogues for opening, saving files. NoteStash and Pixel Painter now utilize files. And DeMeo now has support for attaching files. If you've been watching the live streams, you would have seen all this stuff right here. And then other changes we made as well is that I improved the application registration and icon system. We got a new combo box component, new input dialog. Images can now be loaded from a URL, so that's really good for developers out there. Placeholder support for text field and text area. You guys saw that on live stream. I don't think it was yesterday. I think it was like the day before. You guys saw me implement that. Checkboxes now render round. You guys saw that as well. Improved item list, scroll bar, and color scheme, and then also context support, which is what you saw here. And basically, what contexts are. I'm not sure if it's the correct term for them. They're kind of like pop-outs, or no, they're kind of like It's like this, right? It's like this, but there's like more advanced versions. So, one way, like, if anybody knows the correct terminology here, please let me know because I want to make sure it's correct. But for instance, let's go to Photoshop here. Let me just make sure. Yeah, okay, we're good. We're Gucci. Let me just go to Photoshop here. And just for instance, let's say it's something like here. No, what's a good example? There's one that does a good example. Hold up. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if we can figure it out. Which one? No. What's going on, Photoshop? Hold up. It's literally not letting me do anything. Why is it not letting me click on? Oh. That thing was all the way over there. I was like, what was going on here? Alright, so one thing, I think it's like something like this. See how like, okay, here, right? When I click down this, what is this type of UI element here called? What type of UI element is that called? Because that's basically how the combo boxes work, is they overlay this thing on top of everything. And I'm not sure exactly like what this is called. Like, what's the terminology for that? So if you guys know, I call it a context because this is like a menu context. So I'm just assuming it's just a context. It's not like a menu. But if you guys know what it's called, that would be good. What do we got here? Someone said they had a good idea. You should get some people to help you with coding, man. No offense, but it's taking a while. Yeah, dude. I don't know. I want to, but like I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the right people because like you got to really have an understanding of how everything works. I mean, if there's people dedicated out there, and you know are mature enough, because like I want to be working with some mature people. That's no offense, but I want to be making sure I'm working with people that know what they're doing in this type of stuff. But if you're willing to learn about, this and that type of stuff, learning how all of it works, hit me up or something like that. Hit me up or something like that. Where do you download the new API? You can download it from the Discord channel. If you actually go in the description below, you'll find an invite link there. Then you just go to the downloads channel and boom, there they all are. The thing goes boo-rah. The thing goes skrrrah. Pa 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 pa. Skitty pa pa pa. Skia. Yeah, that's my favorite song, guys. That is my favorite song. I was gonna have a banana on live stream because I got these bananas I need to eat. Ugh. They look really orange. I don't know why. Why do they look orange? They're actually really big. Oh god, don't take this out of context. Don't take this out of context, whatever you do. Oh my god, I can't even open this. No. Yeah, I got some scissors. I can just cut it. I think that should be good enough. It just needs a little bit. What the heck? It's not even opening properly. Hold up. I need to get this. Oh god. It's going everywhere. I'm gonna eat this off stream. Off camera. I can't get this out. It's just... Oh no. Alright. There's like all the... You know how there's all the strings that come off of bananas? Yeah, that's... There we go. Finally. Nah, you guys can't see. Yeah, it's good. No bananas, sure. Oh, it's good banana. Might use one for a banana smoothie tomorrow. That'll be good. I need to get some music on. I haven't got any music on.
I fell and lost to the war.
Hold up, guys. I just gotta close Spotify off. Oh crap. Oh, that's too loud. Hold up. Hold up. Rip headphone users. Rip headphone users. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Alright. So, what we're going to do today is up to you guys. So, we have a couple of things we can do. One thing that needs to be done is implement a color scheme system. So pretty much I want to create like a standard set of colors that are used throughout the actual throughout the you know operating system. So like basically I want to use the colors that I use from file browser as like the standard colors, so like some blues, grays and that type of stuff is like the standard colors for all applications. Now obviously you'll be able to choose what colors you want, but you'll be able to use them if you want to be like compliant with the standard color scheme. Otherwise you can just do whatever you want pretty much. So we can implement that, which would be cool. So everything will look the same, and it will make the device API look dope. Oh god, so many banana emojis in chat. So many banana emojis in chat. Or we start work on an icon system. You get what I mean? You get me what I mean, blood? Big Shack. Ha! Tell him men's not hot. I said babes, men's not hot. So, like an icon system, so to describe that better, it would be like material design icons, that type of stuff that everybody can use in their projects or Android applications. And oh, not Android applications, more like hold up. I think it's material icons. I don't know. One of them, but there's like a ton of icons. It's like a font library that people can use for HTML and put it in their web apps and that type of stuff. So, what do you guys think? Color scheme system or icon system? Let me know in the chat right now. While I'm doing that, I might do like a straw poll. No ketchup. Just sauce. Pure sauce? What? It's raw sauce. Alright. A title is required. Alright, post in the link. Go vote on the straw poll. Let me know what you guys want to see. Because, I mean, the icon system would be cool because pretty much it's going to be us, like, creating basically icons. I mean, we're going to implement a system as well to load them all up, which I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that. It's probably got to be like old manual type stuff. To see you again. Icon. Color scheme. Icon. Color scheme. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths. Quick maths. Who loves quick maths? Looks like icon system is in the lead. 78% to 22. Alright, looks like the icon system is going to work. I'm just trying to figure out how we should actually do this because do we want to create, do we want to have like instances of the icons so you can be like put an icon instance in here as a parameter? We could have like public static final icon. I mean that could work, eh? Let me just get this all sorted. What's going on here? Hold on. Checks if a context is open. I hate writing documentation. Checks if the system has a context open. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to quickly commit that as moved. Move system interface into API. What do we want to commit that on? I'll do it on a master. Ugh. Don't do that. Hold up. We're gonna figure out what's wrong here. Get. There we go. How does this work? Unversioned. Hold up. There we go. There you go. Alright, cool. Cray, I gotta go. I need to sleep before school. Alright, see you later, Aiden. To be fair, you have to have a very high IQ to understand Minecraft. The bad fan base is extremely cringe and only the highest class citizens understand the law. What? The community could help with icons? I mean, that's possible. I mean, if I give you guys like a standard color scheme to follow, then that'll work. Just trying to figure out how I should do this, hey? So I reckon we should have a. So we're gonna have like a class. App. I should put that system into just the API. Whoops. I'll move that later on. But we should have a new, so it looks like, yeah, icon system is the one we're going to be doing today, guys. 86%. So it's pretty big majority if you ask me. The delay is really long. Yeah, it actually is. It is actually pretty long. Do you have audience interaction mode on? I don't know. I don't know. What's the difference between it? Because I'm pretty sure if you do it the other way around, it reduces the quality of the stream. So I think it's like you might not be able to read everything better. You might not be able to read the code. I'm not sure. Alright, so we're going to create a new class. We're going to create an app here. We're going to call this icon. Does anybody got a good idea for a good design pattern for this? Because I mean, like there is like we could just create an enum class. We could create an enum class. We could create, I mean, enum class wouldn't be too bad, because then like could have something like that, right? Then it might be like an icon. It's public useless. Int x, int y. No modifiers are allowed. And then we have public int x. I don't know if this is a good way to do it though. I got up to 1080p. What music is that? If it was the last song, I wouldn't be able to tell you. And then we could have things like arrow. Alright. Maybe like arrow 0. I mean, just as an example, like that. And then maybe to help out, I might have like a public void draw. I can't have that above. It's supposed to be under it. And then here we might have like a public static final icons. Icon asset. This will be a resource location. Alright. That'd be that. I mean, we'd fill it in. I know because he doesn't have an audience interaction one. Icon for what? It has a smaller delay but can't go up to 1080p. There you go. That's why I can't really do it, because I need 1080p, otherwise you guys can't read the code pretty much. I want you guys to be able to read the code. I want to have a quality live stream. So we can experience it in the full HD. You can see me better. You can see my face clear. I'm not like a blob. I'm not a blob. If I go 720p, I'm a blob. If I got a 720p, I turn into that yellow man. Who remembers that yellow man mask? I turn into that if I go 720p. Not really. I mean, this is one way we can do it. I mean, it's valid. It's one way to do it. I think it would be the easiest way. Because then, you know, you can just give everything this. And then just draw real easily. There might be like an int x, int y type stuff. We might change these to u. Go away. Cancel. U. Do U. UV. Alright, that's better. And we have like a draw in X, Y. So draw it at this location. And then we can do something like render util.draw rect with texture. We might just do like get u get v. Cray, I want to test out the update, but it just crashes. You need to be in a development environment. If the API, the device API is not intended for normal players, so if you just try to load it up in a normal Forge, then it's gonna crash by default because it's not intended for players. It has bugs in it. You're gonna experience crashes. It's for people to, you know, just like if you loaded it up, you're just gonna get no applications at all. It's literally just gonna be file browser and that's it. There's really nothing to it. There's no app store, there's nothing, it's just an empty mod. But how's everybody going? How's everybody going right now, you know? Thursday live stream. I know it's going to be a little bit dead tonight. That's just how Thursdays are. They're always kind of dead. The weekends are good. I love the weekends because a lot of you guys are here on the weekends. So I think I'm going to live stream this weekend again. Who wants me to live stream this weekend? I will do it. I will do it. Oh yeah, I bought chips. Should I crack open some chips, guys? Should I open some chips up? Would you guys like to see some chips opened? I mean, I'd like to see some chips opened. I'd like to see some chips open. I'd like to see some cheese and crackers. So get me some cheese and crackers. I need some crackers specifically because I'm out. Also, before we continue on here, I think this is how I'm going to do it. I think enums are going to be a good way. If someone disagrees, let me know. I want to know how you would do it instead. Someone said hello. Welcome, Sebastian. Yeah, live stream in weekend. Yeah, dude, I'm going to do it. No, in Eclipse it crashes. Send the crash in the Discord chat. I can help better there. Yeah, why not? How about cheese and crackers? No! Someone doesn't want me to live stream on the weekend. No one. Someone's watching at 360p. I'm watching at 720p and it's crystal clear. Oh, not bad. Snap that like button. What the flip? Someone in the chat's called Totally Real Mr. Crayfish Dev. You ain't real. Nah, he's definitely real, guys. It says by the username, it's Totally Real Mr. Crayfish Dev. Can we, you know, just, you know, that guy there, yeah, is not real. It's not real, guys. Where's my young Greg in the chat? Where's my Sir Piggles in the chat? They used to be actual accounts that people had. I don't see young Greg or Sir Piggles anymore because I forgot about them. I forgot about them. Remember me from that. I remember you. You didn't even ask me. I remember you. Alright, so this is how it's gonna work. This is gonna be... How's this work? I always keep forgetting how like that the resource location, well, for GUIs works. It works differently to other stuff. Textures, works like that. Alright. So that, then it'd be icons.png. Alright, cool. Kill him. Some person's just like, kill him. Totally real Mr. Crayfish Dev. Kill him. Just like first thought. He's a fake Cray. Damn it, I thought I had live stream notifications on. Now I'm late. I thought you were here before, Mr. Mel. You didn't leave it on. You didn't leave it on. Nah, welcome back, dude. Thanks again for the super chat. Was it super chat or donations you left yesterday? Yeah, if you weren't here yesterday, guys, I got donations finally set up on these live streams because a bunch of you guys were actually asking, like, how could I donate? And I was like, yeah, I don't have anything set up at the moment. So now I've got something set up. So if you actually donate, you can add a message and it will get played on live stream. So you'll actually hear it being played on live stream, which is pretty funny because I'm pretty sure you can write anything you want. But we'll see what happens. This weekend might be interesting. Is my arm okay now? I mean, it's still in a cast. It's actually like, it's still, there's still certain things I can't do that, like I can't pick up heavy items, but I'm able to do a lot more with it now. Like, I can actually, you know, before I wasn't able to pick up like this. I mean, that in itself is a little bit of a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. But I wasn't able to pick up that, like, before. I wouldn't even be able to pick this up, I'm not gonna lie. A phone. But now I can. I almost like dropped coffee on my floor as well when I was like had this arm because I was moving a cup and like I couldn't lift it and I like dropped it, but luckily it didn't have any coffee in that cup that I dropped because I had another cup in my other hand which was full of coffee. Super chat and donation. Dang, only 21 viewers. Yeah, people don't come on a Thursday. You know, this is my second channel. It's a little bit different to my main one. I used to live stream over at my main one so much. Like, I think I might do some live streams over on my main one eventually. I just never really, you know, figured out what to do because there'd be a decent amount of people on my main one. Alright, so we got this working. So that's pretty much all we need for that, or on the hand. Do we just want to say draw, get U, get V? Let's go private. Private. Literally, we could just do like public draw, public void draw, int x, int y. I mean, that's, to me, that's like the easiest way. And then we have like render util.draw. I think it's this one. X, Y, 0, U, V, width is going to be 10. I had something we could also define here as well. Public static final size equals 10. Oh, public static final int size equals 10. Texture height. Oh. Alright, that's right. Alright, cool. So it's basically geo, state manager, color. Make sure the color's correct. Cray, how'd you break your arm? Just had a friend's dog ran into me. Like, it's a really silly story, pretty much. While I was camping, I was playing with a friend's dog, basically, and you know, we're running down this dirt road, and like he came running from behind me, like he was coming towards me. I knew he was coming towards me. I saw him, but then he like ran straight into me, and I just fell over and landed on my hand, and there you go. That's how I broke my arm. Nothing exciting. Showcase the mod on the main channel. Hashtag awesome. Alright, so that's that, and then we've got to do draw. Oopsie, not that. That's an actual thing. What is that? Draw in Minecraft. Huh. Oh. RGB alpha. Huh. Weird. Get texture manager to bind texture icon asset. So that's that. Pretty simple if you ask me. What is that dog that attacked you look like? Why? You can't go after it. You can't go after it. It was a big dog. Can we get dog emojis in the chat right now? Just get some dog emojis. Don't spam it, but just everybody post a single dog emoji in the chat so I can relive my trauma, relive my nightmare, relive the day I almost died. That'd be funny. If it's not notifying, you haven't got post notifications on. If you guys don't have post notifications on, and you want to be notified every time I go live, you want to join these live streams because they're absolutely awesome. Hit that bell button. It's down below. Hit that bell button, and set it so it turns or sends you notifications every time I post a video or go live. So do that if you want to be notified when the live streams are going to be starting this weekend as well, because they're going to be good. So many dog emojis. Hey, you can't post a turkey. He posted a turkey. The fake Crayfish posted a turkey. You can't do that. That's illegal. That's illegal, my friend. Alright. Open. Nope. Nope. Alright, so pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to base it off. Cancel. I'm going to base it off. Which one was the good one? Developer wallpaper components. Bank. I click the bell. Thanks, dude. I can't find dog emoji, so here's a poop. Hey! That's rude. That's rude. Cray, you need to make an icon store so people can actually sell icons from emeralds on the server. And that'd be really cool. What? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense if you ask me. Alright, so save that as icons. So basically, I'm going to base it off this, because these are already some pretty standard icons. So like, this has already got some standard icons. But obviously, what we're going to do is actually let's do this, get rid of that. Whoops. Alright, and then I'm just going to go image, adjustments, black and white. Just need standard grey icons. Nothing special. Because like the idea behind this is that I'm going to try and make it so you can just color it. So you're able to color the icons yourself. I'm just trying to figure out how I can do like these stuff with the green and the yellow there. I mean, because that's a little bit advanced. Because if I go ahead and look at material icons, they don't have anything like that. So I might do that again. Ugh. Alright, make sure that's open. 50. Black and white. It's probably the worst way to do it, actually. So there we go. Make more icons that the original mod will not use, but child mod add-ons. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. That's basically what I said in the live stream. You guys are going to help me today choose what icons we actually make. Now, I will, if you just search up in Google material icons, right, it will come up with a huge list of icons that Material Design already uses. And maybe you guys want me to pick some from there that you want to use in your applications, because there's like a bunch of them. And I'm going to be doing my best to, you know, create it. I want to like make sure it's like standard ones though. What are some standard icons? Let me know in the chat. We are going to reorganize these as well. Copy, oh, hold up. Alright, that goes there. So that's a left icon. We want a right, left, left up. that goes like that, but we need to fix the shading up on it because the shading's not correct when we actually rotate it around. So we're gonna have to get rid of that. Oops. I think that's what it's gonna be. Don't know how I... Technically that would be like that. That's gonna be like that. Oh no, hold up. It would be like that. And let's copy that again. Whoops. Favorite. It's the star and it says your favorite stuff. Yeah, that would be a good one. Let's write these down actually. Let's write these down so we got a list going here. So we got a star. You guys are going to start suggesting these right now. I'll give you guys a link of which ones. I'll give you guys a link. Ideas. So if you go follow through with that link, that will give you some ideas for a bunch of icons. We'll start writing down a list now of the ones that you guys want me to actually design here. The star icon. Computer icon. We'll try and do a computer. We need standard stuff. What I'm thinking was, well, we've got save icon. There's a bunch of stuff even in, was it DeMeo? Yeah, DeMeo. We need a check. We need a check. Cross. Save. Load. Globe icon. That'd be a good one. Globe. Globe icon. Cog gear. Oh yeah, cog. Settings. That'd be a good one. Good suggestion there. Can you make it so you can create icons in the Paint app? That would be great. I don't think it's possible. How I've designed the pixel painter doesn't support like 10 by 10 images. Person icon. That's not a bad one. Person. Reload. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Reload. Material IO is banned in your country. Profile icon. Oh, it's kind of like the person icon. That's the profile icon as a person. Let's have a look what maybe like a home icon, a mail icon. But what are the icons for? The icons basically are going to be something that all the developers can use to like implement into their own application, so they don't have to design their own icons. And it'll also make things more consistent as well, so people will be able to recognize certain type of actions. Or kind of. Battery icon. I mean, it wouldn't be like a dynamic one, but it would work. Battery. Folder icon. I mean, yeah, we've got one down here already that I can take advantage of. Can you guys see that? Hold up. Yeah, I got one down here already that we can take advantage of. Changing the icon. We had some good suggestions here. If you guys haven't clicked that link already with the material.io, that will give you guys some good suggestions. But let me know what you would like to see in this. printer icon, boat racer icon. Boat racer icon's not a kind of general type icon that everybody can use. It's only good for one use, and that is boat racer. Add an image photo icon. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Image icon. Now, what do we want to do here? Because we can colorize them, or do we want them black and white? What do you guys think we should do? Should we colorize them, or should they be black and white? It's up to you. I think like maybe like colorized might be good, especially for like if we're doing an image icon, it's going to be useful. Reply icon. Yeah, maybe. I've got one in DeMeo, but shop icon. What's a shop icon? Shop. It'd be like a basket, wouldn't it? Shit, like basket. Maybe like a checkout icon. Color picker. What the heck? Someone's comment could keep them black and white. It got hidden. Oh god, YouTube. YouTube, you're silly. We all know why it blocked it. Do you think the mod would be a little laggy? No. Colorize. Virus detect pop-up. Colorize icon. Alright. We need some more ideas for icons, guys, because I need your guys' help here. What icons are you guys going to be using? Save, delete. I mean, we've already got the delete one, but we'll just put it on the list as a to-do. What else we got here? We got check, a check icon, a cross icon. Do we want a donut icon? Trash can? Yeah, well, that's the delete. That's the delete. We're gonna have a star. Field star. So there'll be two different types of star, because like you might want to have one that's not filled and filled. What else we got down here? I'm looking at the chat and I'm looking over at our actual GitHub, or not the GitHub, the materials website that I linked from before. What else we got here that might be useful? Reply mail. It's just like I feel like it's getting too specific when you say reply mail. Edit. What's an edit icon? Oh, that's a good one actually. Edit might be like a pencil. Snooze icon. What's a snooze icon? Snooze icon. It's like a bell. That's a good one. Bell. Clock. Bell. What would be a clock? Clock. We should have a lock. A lock icon. That's a good one. Clear icon. Just nothing. Since we have an image icon for image file types, why not have a generic icon for certain file types? That's one thing I can't do, Ramirez, because I can't. I don't know. I mean, it's possible for me to do that, like create a standard file template for people to use, to create like a text file, to create, I mean, audio files won't be a thing, but like I can create like a standard text file library that people can follow. But right now, pretty much anybody can do whatever they want with files and put any sort of data in it. Protect icon. He protect. The icon protect, but it also attack. VPN key. I wouldn't mind a key icon, because that goes along with lock. A lock and a key. An Xbox controller? Maybe like a game controller. Game controller. Minecraft icon. No, as in for pixel painter like stuff. Ah, clear icon. What's a clear icon? Wouldn't it? It's not really like a. It's like when I write clear icon, it's coming up with like a trash can. It's coming up with like a back button. It's coming up with a cross. So it's not. I don't know. It's not distinct enough. New file, document icon. Yeah, new file, new folder. I already have some here. We have like scissor. I can't believe you guys didn't even get these ones. Copy, cut, paste. Some of the most generic ones. Rename. Let's have a look what I did in the other icons. Search. 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 Yeah, that's all good. Alright. Haven't got any other mysterious icons. Yeah, it's so good. Let's have a look. A Wi-Fi icon. A Wi-Fi icon might be good. Wi-Fi. Question icon. That's a good one, actually. That's a very good one. Question icon. Warning. Warning icon. Hazardous. Hazardous waste ahead. The goggles do nothing. Format align icons. Left, right, justify, wrap, center. Oh god. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's possible we could add them in. Virus icon. Left, right. I remember you. Hey, what about lock screen? Internet connection? Full screen, new page, next page. Oh, new page, next page could be interpreted as like a plus, which we could do as one plus. Fast forward. We could have, I mean, different types of arrows. Arrow. I have arrow. Alt. Pointer. Maybe we could. Power. Play. Pause. A power button would be good, actually. Put that under battery. Power. Share icon. What's a share icon? You never know if someone wants to create text there, you need a format that text. True. Share icon. Okay. Yeah, true. It's hard to think like what people are gonna do in it, so I guess we could add it in. I don't know. What do they call it? Left, right. Left, right, justify. Left, right, justify. Play video. Emojis. Delete icon. We've already got delete icon. Run command. I mean, that can be interpreted as play and stop. Play, stop, pause. They're good ones. Play, stop, pause. Next. Previous. Microsoft Office. Volume icon. Volume. Mute. Terminal icon. LAN connection symbol. Self-destruct button. What else do we got here? We didn't do a... we did do a search. Pause icon. Save for later icon. What's a save for later icon? We got mail. Create, delete, forward, reply, report. Should put a debug app that looks like a command. Battery. Cloud. Bookmarks icon. Save as icon. Yeah, I've got the save. What's the difference between a save and a save icon? Save and save as icon. Don't know. USB icon. Bookmarks icon. Just books, just knowledge. Export, import. Export, import. Hack system. IO icons. I don't know what else have we got here. Yeah, got all that. Detail. Info. Or is it here? Question. We could have just like an info one. Knowledge. An icon for icons. A radar icon. I think that's going to be good enough for this live stream today. I don't think we'll get all of them designed, but you know, we'll get a bunch of them designed. That's going to be good for today. So thank you guys for a ton of your suggestions right now. We got a massive list here. We got a massive list. Let's save as icons, just so we don't lose it. So let's do all these arrow icons now. So it's going to be left, up, down, left, right. Oh, see, I'll stretch my arm out. Crayfish button. Like button. That's a good one, actually. I'm adding that on. Like button. Dislike. Snap that like. You guys are just stealing the ideas off of YouTube now. You guys are just stealing the ideas off of YouTube. You're not even looking at anything. You're just stealing them off YouTube. What we're gonna do is move that, merge layers, put that over here. Won't put it there, but put that there. Let's fix up the icon. Actually, to make it, I just want to make it look good in the file. How silly is that? Alright, so we're gonna have this. So picky. So technically that should be 40 wide by 10 high. Perfect. What would you need a report icon for? I'm going to report everybody here. I've already added a bell icon, a comment icon. Not a bad one, actually. I'll add that on. You guys can keep suggesting icon ideas. I'll just add them onto the list. I mean, we won't get around to them by the end, but that might help. Colorize. Oh, yeah. How are we gonna colorize these arrow buttons? Like, do we want them to be the same style as everything? I don't know how we're gonna do this. And what color would the arrows be? They don't have a color. They're just icons. They're just arrows. So that's the arrows, basically. We need to create a check now. That's not gonna have a... I need my grid here. Can't see what I'm doing. Some guys, that is the worst design I've ever seen. Dude, that was the worst I've ever seen. Check icon. Alright, I'm doing it completely wrong. I don't know why I decided to put a curve onto it. Let's get rid of that. Let's do it like this. I mean, seriously, that was probably the worst icon I've ever seen. What I did. Ah, that's gonna be perfect. That's gonna be beautiful. That's gonna be beautiful, right there. That's gonna be beautiful. If you don't like that, check icon, something's wrong with it, because that's a perfect icon right there. Only downsides is like, yeah. Check. Now we need a cross icon.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
I wonder if that's good or not. We'll see here in a second. Check before you ask. 10 out of 10 for that. 100 out of 10 for that tick icon. Use UV mapping to color them. I don't know if I like that. I don't think it's crossy enough. Do I make it a thicky? I make it a thick icon. I mean, I probably should make these well done.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
That's a bit better. It just looks big compared to like the cross, because I want them to be like proportioned, you know. I don't know how I could do that actually. How many dev streams are you gonna do for this mod? I don't know. Whenever I, till I finish the mod. Cray, there's a link for cross icons. It's tweeted to you. I can just Google it. I'm literally on Google. Alright, let's do it again. We might make it only like... make it have like a bit of a... Now it just looks too small. I can't get like a similar size. Don't know. It looks weird now if I do it like that. I think what's going to be done is... see if I can copy this. I think I might know why. Maybe, alright, let's try this. Alright, let's fix this up. This is gonna look good. I mean, that looks better. It's not as like... it's not unproportionate. I might flip it around, like, oopsie. Apply. Merge layers, like that. Yeah, it doesn't look good that way. That's good. It's a lot better if you're asking me. It's a lot better. I need to go, Cray. Bye. Alright, see you later. Stretch the X vertically. Alright, that's good enough. Well, I think it looks good. If you guys think it looks good. If you have any better suggestions, send me a tweet or something with a new icon. Because then that will help out a lot. Okay, use it, Cray. Oh god. That's not bad. But then it breaks my whole consistency that I made before. Because have a look at, you know, like my file browser icons. Like those ones you link to or put here aren't anything like what I made. Plus, they're going to be 10 by 10 icons. Just going to put that out there. They're going to be 10 by 10 icons. Alright, plus... Oh, that should be easy. Whoops. No. Delete. Plus icon. No. Went too high. Alright, here we go. What the flip? Let's just do it like that. Oh wow, that's weird. Plus icon. Looks clean AF. I'm just gonna take out these. Yeah, it looks like a star now. Looks like a nether star. How's like, it's just like this rotated 45 and it turns into this. Oh god. Just realized there's a device mod API Discord. Really? It's been there for ages. It's been there for ages, my dude. I might crack open these chips that I was mentioning before. Here we go. You guys can't read it. Dang it. Summer barbecue. Get some. This is like my favorite. But I only do them in like summertime. As you can see, limited edition summer barbecue. I think these are the good ones. They're good. These cookies are good. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more. These cookies are good. Image icon. We should color these. Whoops. Color. Everybody knows what color a check icon is. Whoop. How do I image adjustments? Color filter. Ah, this will work. How green should it be? How green should we go? Green as heck. I should have like 80. Have a bit of desaturated color on it. A greeny green. I mean, that's pretty green if you ask me. Alright. I mean, that's a nice color, 80% intensity when we do those. What color should this be? Plus icon should be blue. Huh? That's a nice blue. Make the plus blue. What's next on our list? I'm gonna put that one down lower because that's gonna be tricky. Save, export, import. We're gonna sneak some icons here. Because I've already got one over at DeMeo, so... And I'll make the blues consistent. And that's gonna make it a problem, damn it. There's no way for me to get the right colors now, except for manually doing it. It looks like a face. What color should the save icon be? Oh, they're like save and export. Okay. Well, that give me some inspiration. Oh, they're the small versions. What? They're cool. Let's open it up. Dude, they're good. I'll use them as some inspiration here for the import and export because I like them. I mean, we'll put them into our style. The key's a good one. Yeah, I like that one. But that we'll have that as yellow. The player, the person. I'm not sure what color we'll have the person as. Orange. Let's go save icon. A lot of it's coming as black or blue. Black or blue is like what a save icon is. So a lot of people saying orange. First of all, I need to convert it to our standard color set here, so it's all consistent. Otherwise, it's actually going to look different. So, and that. I'm looking at the pictures now, and oh, well, that's a very close color. Hold up. Apparently this should too be white. That looks better. Put that there, there, yeah. And then let's colorize it now. So it's already an orange. Does orange work? I don't know if orange is a good one. Orange is fruit, not color for me. What about light blue? Now ignore that it's taken out the white. We can fix that up. Is that? Oh no, it's not white. I mean, that could be save. What's a load icon? What is a load icon? There's no load icon. I did that. Yeah, I think I did. Alright. Oh, cool. We're just gonna have a slight gray here. I think a slight gray looks good there. Maybe just a tad brighter. It looks like a cyclops. A light icon would just usually be the same icon for a regular file. Okay. We can change the save icon. Alright, hold up. This might look better. There we go. That's a bit better. get rid of that and just have a blank. And we can also do this. I don't know if that's good or not. Is that better? See, it's like blue. I mean, the emoji confirmed it, it's blue. So, I mean, it looks very similar to the one that you sent on the emoji there. I can't, like, the problem with it's so hard adding in like icons to it because they have to be 10 by 10. There's no exceptions. I mean, that looks better. I mean, we can change it to this blue. I mean, it looks bad because, like, I feel like it's next to the plus icon, so it kind of it's distracting your eyes in a way. Hold up. So if I move this, ready? Alright. Move that down there. So have a look now. Actually looks pretty good. Actually looks pretty good. It's just because it was next to the plus, it distracted you. That's perfect, if you ask me. That's perfect. Someone said it looks purple. It ain't got purple in it. Look at the color. Look at the color. It ain't got no purple in it. It's leaning towards the lighter blue more than the purple. Alright. Well, that's our icon. Hate me, love me, that's what it's gonna be. Alright, so we're gonna save. Export now. You've already got some great inspiration here. Thank you, whoever that was. What color should these be? Import icons. So we got two different colors to choose here. So basically, we have let's just merge everything. Why isn't this? Oh, there, it's working now. So basically we have this bottom portion and then we have the arrow here. So should we have two separate colors here? What colors should they be? I'm colorblind apparently. I ain't colorblind. I don't know if I was colorblind. I wouldn't be able to determine. I know what's purple. I can literally see purple right here. You guys want purple? There's your purple. That's not even purple. Hold up. That's like a very dark. That's purple there. That's a desaturated blue. That's purple. Apparently this is purple as well. And it might have a slightest hint of red in it, but it's not purple. Nobody suggested any colors for me. Nobody suggested any colors for me. What is this? Let's draw them in. It's an 8 wide, okay. That's indigo. This is an import and export icon. I mean, we could have the arrow being green and the export one being red. That might be good. I think we just, you know... Alright, so we'll make the import one first. So, we're just basically stealing. Not really, we're improving. We're improving it. It's a difference. There's a difference. Not really. I want that green though. We have to use that green. Because I forgot what the colour was, so... Let's change that around and have the shading on the side like that. Don't know if that looks good with the shading on the side. We're gonna have that like that. But what is this color gonna be? We need an idea. Just black? Just black look good. It's just really harsh. It's just really harsh, that's the thing. Or we have like a darker grey. Oh, I know what we could do actually. Get that. Too dark. That looks pretty good. Does that look good? Does that look good? Shade the grey box. True. That's the best so far. Nah, it looks better with it going all the way up. Yeah. Get rid of the corners. Looks good. Who said make it light blue? Make what light blue? That looks good. Import, export. Or should it not be a red? Should it be like a blue? Because like, when I see red it seems like a fail. Like if we make it blue, then it feels a bit better. I need to learn some key short. I always keep forgetting Photoshop keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, it looks better. How much of the stream? Oh, we got 10 minutes left. What the flip? Next live stream we'll make it, you know, we'll do some more icons, I reckon, next live stream. And we'll have the whole entire live stream to do icons. GTA 5 import export DLC. Hey, at least you can afford this one. At least you can afford this one. Whoa, someone went crazy. Directional arrows should be blue. What do you guys reckon? What color should these arrows be? We're just gonna keep one for reference. For if I ever need the grey colors, because they're gonna be the standard colors. What colors should this guys? What should it be? Should it be like a light blue? These arrows? I think they should be light blue. In my professional opinion. In my professional opinion. Some of you guys are going to be like, this color's red. Some people are going to be like, this color's green right now, Cray, you're colorblind. This color's yellow. This color is infrared. lot of people saying light blue. What about, is that good? Is that a good light blue? I mean, that's the best I can get for that. That's the lightest blue I can get right there. This color is ultraviolet. That color is pizza. Cray, you're food blind. Let's have a look at Discord. Oh, someone sent like a... Okay, cool. Oh, they're helpful. But are they the right size? They look like the right size. Alright, cool. I'll get around to them when I start implementing, well, once I get to those icons. I'll get them and start adding some more of them. Good. Alright, cool. Oh god. I'm not going to go through there just in case. See, you said it's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, if you ask me, right? If you ask me right now, that's looking pretty damn good. That is looking pretty damn good if you ask me. I think I might try and group them a little bit better as well. So, because I feel like the save icon is a little bit out of place just randomly there. Like, save icon should be with, like, new file and that type of stuff. So, we got import, export. Alright, let's just move stuff around here for a sec. Then we'd have... Put that down there for now. Because I got a new icon here. New file. New folder icon. Whoa. No. New file, new folder icon. Now, what color are we gonna do this folder? Because I've already got a folder color. I mean, we can make this like a... Oh, what's going on? Eh. That ain't yellow! There we go. Why was that selecting it as blue? Well, no, it's not blue. Why is it not selecting that? Hold up. Merge layer. There we go. Windows like between yellow and orange. Just like to get it exact. Might need to be. No, it's too yellow. Maybe we need to preserve lumosity. I mean that looks good. That's kind of that color. New folder. The cut icon is chopping the player in half. Someone just had to mention that. He lost his body. Hold up. Hold up. Oh god. Oh, his leg. Oh. Oh jeez, they chopped his legs off, guys. They oh, that's not the right color. That's not the right color. Oh god, the blood. Oh god, the blood. Oh god, it's dripping. It's dripping now. Oh jeez. Don't click too many times or I can't undo. Oh jeez, guys. That's brutal. That was brutal. See you later, leg. It was just a joke, guys. The stream is now considered not friendly for advertisers. It's not like I'm gonna get fucking. Oh god, I just said a word. Sorry. I'm gonna get demonetized. This is a Christian stream. I'm sorry. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going through that. I literally just got an email. Think of the children. I think I cut up a I got an email just there. It said think of the children was the subject. Was this person a child? Was this person a child, guys? It might have been a child. That's why I got the email. Oh no, my mum says I'm not allowed to watch violent videos. I did drop it. I slightly dropped it. Christian Cray, it's all good. Can we just hold up? I just want to just make a quick prayer. You know, we need to eradicate the sins, the bad energy in this live stream today. I apologize for slightly dropping the F-bomb. God forgives me. He forgives all of you. Here's our Lord and Savior. But let's get back to this. Let's get back to the stream. He would want us to get back to the stream. He's like, why'd you stop and pray for me? Get back to the stream, Cray. So new file, new folder. New file, new folder. That's a dope color though for the folder. We might make this very slight yellow. Who agrees with me? It's like very slight. It's like a 25%. Just looks a little tad better. Cray is now Crayfish. Just imagine people jumping into the stream right now, like what's going on? Hashtag pray with Cray. That's the new hashtag now. Pray with Cray. We're going overtime right now. What have we got left? Delete. Delete. Delete icon. Well. What color is the trash can? What color is the trash can? The trash can is grey. Trash can icon. They're grey. But I might make it a darker grey. Like that grey. Oh no. If anybody knows how to do a better bin icon, let me know. Because I'm so bad at these, I'm so bad at, I don't know, this one I couldn't get because it's difficult. I don't know if I like it. Like, and it even based it off an image I found. Does that look better? When I do it like that, it looks like a pot. It just stops looking like an actual bin. So that works. maybe do the handle. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Very unsaturated red bin. Could try that. Oh yeah, that's hold up. Red. Yeah. I mean, nah, no. Red bin, a blue bin, green bin. Yeah, I don't know. Red doesn't work. Because like a bin is just grey. Maybe this is the one that we don't colour in. Over team. Yeah, I know, it's been overtime. Maybe we'll put this one afterwards. Come back to you. Come back to you later on. Let's get this. Move this over here. Copy. Cut. Copy, paste. Whoa. No, wrong tool. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want the cut to be there. And then this first one's gonna have this. And then the back one's gonna have a darker version. So this will now be the middle color. That will now become the edge color. And then we basically just gotta create a darker version. There we go. Easy peasy. What color should we have the handles on the scissors? Right now, whoever has first suggestion. Some person's like ice cream. What color should have them? Ice cream. Blue. Red. Red handles, red. Green, orange. See, there's a lot of red. Red. What does red look like? Yeah. Red handles. That look good. And then obviously we don't need to color in the we don't need color in the scissor part. I want to restore file, save as. Just gonna save that. We're gonna exit here. Alright, back. We're back in biz. I just want to restore my little gold bit. I want to restore my little gold bit. I like my little gold bit. Hey! And then... how do we do the clipboard? Red looks so good. Dang! Import, export, DLC color. What color should we have the clipboard, guys? Like this part down here. This part minus that. What color should we have it? A brown? Maybe. I don't know what color. Blue, light yellow. Brown edges. Alright, hold up. Photo filter. Brown of some sort. Could do that, right? Do we put like a piece of paper on it? Does that look good? Can we be like, no, don't do that! You ruined it. Oh yeah, no, way too much contrast in that. Blue edges. Red edges with file like paper. Oh, stretch my arm. Blue edges. Light yellow. You have to put the paper. I think there has to be... oh no, hold up. It's already brown. What happens if we draw the paper now? Is that good? Or should we have like this brown? Because that works. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's too harsh. Maybe like this. Nah. I don't know what to do. You guys gonna help me out here? I need help. I need help. Let's have clipboard icon. Yeah, all of them are like brown. But all of them have paper on it as well. I mean, what do you guys think of that? I mean, it looks pretty good. We should have like a... You guys can see it like a bit better. Add text onto the paper. Does that work? Yeah. Does that work? Looks better when it has a bit of... Huh? Huh? I mean, that works. I don't know if I like... The only thing I don't like is the border. Oh, we change around... We change around the, because it may as well be the, nah, the gold looks good. Looks perfect now. Alright, we'll keep it as that. What happens... Hold up. Nah, it doesn't look like a clipboard now. It looks like a bit of like a... something else. I don't know what it looks like, but it doesn't look like a clipboard. I can always come back to it. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out like what's wrong with it, because to me it doesn't look like perfect, but so that was the clipboard. We'll put the trash in. Yeah, I don't know what to do for the trash. Blue border, a very light red border. could just have like a red border like this. What does that look like? Ugh. No. Why did I even do that? That was really bad. I apologize. You should do something called on Monday. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good if you ask me. Looks better, yeah. I also know the trash can is difficult. If you guys have any ideas for the trash can, do let me know. Oh god. Ah, Kratos. The Kratos logo. Yeah, alright. I think I'm going to end off that stream now. I think we've got a ton of good progress done with these icons. Next live stream, we'll try and get them like implemented and then we'll create more of them, I reckon. Might stick in our old bluey. Get that over here. Put that there. We lost a color. Alright, let's go ahead and let's read out shoutouts now. Read shoutouts. We got 16 retweets, dope. Thank you everybody. So we got Mitchell Dorwood, Joseph Thousand, Mirik Josephek, Will M380, Red Dead Devil 1908, D-625, Hypixely, Bo Benz, Guy Twig, 20 Lines of Code, Mohanad 2611, Haunted Corpse, and Horror, Ruben, You'd Have Sing, and one user has not been asked to show on this view. Always. There's always that one user that doesn't want to be shouted out because they have their Twitter unprotected. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream today. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully. What's tomorrow anyway? Is it Friday tomorrow? Yeah, it's Friday tomorrow. So get ready for a Friday stream. Oh god, did I actually have a bit of a lagging during the live stream? Huh. I think we had a bit of a lag there. What was I going to say? We might have something very special tomorrow, guys. We might have something very special tomorrow, so you don't want to miss out on tomorrow's live streams. Put that in your calendar. Put your post notifications on. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!